Hey everyone, I'm Tonio, and welcome to Ton Orbital. In today's tutorial, we're exploring MyTonSwap, a decentralized exchange aggregator on the Ton blockchain. Whether you're looking to make your first token swap or optimize your trades with the best rates and high liquidity, this step-by-step guide will show you everything you need to know about using MyTonSwap. Let's dive in. MyTonSwap is a decentralized exchange aggregator on the Ton blockchain that connects multiple DEX into one platform, comparing rates to ensure you always get the best deals. As the first ever gasless trading bot, it offers fast, reliable, and seamless token swaps with high liquidity and diverse trading options. Let's start using the MyTonSwap bot. First, press the start button. From there, you can choose the swap app or the trading bot. Let's begin with the app. The app works as a straightforward swap. All you need to do is connect your wallet, select the tokens you want to exchange, specify the amount you wish to swap, and confirm the transaction directly in your wallet. In this case, we are swapping Ton for Anon. And here it is, our Anon token from the swap. Now, let's move on to the trading bot. As you can see, the bot has given us a Ton wallet. To start trading, we need to deposit Ton or any Ton-based token into it. Here, we're depositing 0.8 Ton. And here it is, our deposited Ton. Next, click the refresh button to update your balance. And now, our balance has updated to 0.8 Ton. Next, let's go to the buy section and purchase some Durev tokens with our deposited Ton. Here, we need to enter the token address for the token we wish to buy. A token address uniquely identifies a token on a blockchain and is a combination of letters and numbers. To find a Ton blockchain token address, use Ton Viewer and search for the token. In this case, we're entering Durev's token address. The bot has now recognized the Durev token, showing its price and swap details. Below this, we can adjust the slippage and choose the amount of Ton to trade for Durev. Here we want to trade 0.3 Ton for Durev. Next, we will review the swap info and click on the buy button to confirm. Now we have to wait for the transaction to complete. While we're waiting, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to Ton Orbital. And done! Using the MyTonSwap bot, we've traded our Ton coins for 73 Durev tokens. We can access the position section to view our Ton and Durev tokens, along with further details. Now, let's deposit our Anon tokens into our wallet and then trade them for Ton using the bot. After that, we go to the sell section and select the token we want to trade, which is Anon. Here, you can select the amount of the token you want to sell. In this case, we're choosing 100%. We also have the ability to activate the Gasless feature. Typically, blockchain transactions require gas fees, meaning users need to hold some Ton to sell tokens. The MyTonSwap trading bot, using its Gasless feature powered by Wallet version 5, eliminates this need, letting you sell tokens without holding any Ton. Once we've reviewed all the details, we'll click the sell button. We'll now wait for the transaction to finish processing. Trade complete. Our Anon has been successfully exchanged, and the Ton is now added to our balance. There's another option on MyTonSwap. In the new pool alert section, you can enable notifications for updates on new pools added by DEXs. We'll enable this for both DEXs, and we also have the option to set a minimum liquidity requirement for newly created pools. We're setting the minimum liquidity to 100 Ton. There's also a Sniper feature in the MyTonSwap bot. The Snipe feature allows you to buy a token immediately after it is launched. By being one of the first buyers, you can acquire it at a lower price. Tokens are created on Gaspump, a protocol that enables users to create and trade meme tokens. While the token address is unknown in advance, the bot tracks the wallet addresses of users planning to create a token. As soon as the owner's wallet creates the token, the bot automatically buys it. After selecting Gaspump, click the new Snipe button. Provide the bot with the address to track, then enter the amount of Ton to snipe, and you'll be all set. Next, let's go to the withdraw section to move Ton from our wallet. Here, we can choose the amount or the percentage we want to withdraw. We will choose 50%. Next, we have to enter the wallet address where we want to receive our Ton. Now we wait, and it's done. We've successfully withdrawn Ton from our wallet. To wrap things up, let's head to the settings and go through all the available features. We see two choices, wallets and confirm trade. Starting with confirm trade, enabling it lets you confirm your swaps before they execute. Disabling it makes swaps occur immediately after setting the amount. Now let's explore the wallet section. Here you can see all your wallets and have the option to create a new one by hitting the Create Wallet button. Now we have 3. If you click on one of the wallets, you'll see several options. You can change the wallet's name to personalize it, set it as your active wallet for transactions, delete it if you no longer need it, or even export its secret phrases. As you can see, the name of our wallet has been changed. You also have the option to import your own wallet by entering its 24 secret phrases. And that's our tutorial on MyTonSwap. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel at TonOrbital for the latest news and updates in the Ton ecosystem. See you in the next video.